Hello, I'm Bill, and we're here today at the All About the Car tip with Eric at our Stevens Point Tire and Service Center team lead here. First of all, in getting ready for summer travel, that's kind of like, what do we get ready for? That, we're going to go out on a road trip. What are things that we should be ready for, look for, and prepare?
Well, some of the things that I do before I go on a trip is I make sure that in my vehicle that I have a flashlight, extra car charger in there, possible extra
For a cell phone, right?
Right.
Because you lose the power and like to have the one that goes in the USB or the lighter or whatever that is for each individual car.
Yes. Also like to carry some extra clothing because you're not sure what might happen if you do have a breakdown. The other thing that you should make sure that you have is jumper cables, and make sure that they are long enough that they will reach another vehicle at a distance from you.
That would be the time to invest in a little bit longer jumper cables versus the ones that are just like,
Yep, spend the money on a good set. You won't be let down. Again, make sure that the spare tire is working properly, air pressures are good, and just if you can, take it into your local Schierl tire and get it checked over before you go on your trip.
That makes good sense. All those things are very fantastic. The only other thing that I could think of is like, how do you like to take extra provisions, like a snack or food or anything like that? Do you do that? Well, I would do that.
We do, yes. You should take maybe extra water with you, or even some like protein snack bars, or something that isn't going to, that's easily perishable, that if it sits in the vehicle for a while.
Or make you drowsy if you're really driving far.
That is true.
Well, thank you very much for all that information, and good summer travels, and we will see you next time.